I've got some function questions here. This is the first set of 4, and there's going to be, well, the first set, and there's going to be 3 more sets. So obviously pause the video, have a go in your own time, all that kind of stuff. X divided by 2, because 7 divided by 2 makes 3.5, minus 100 divided by 2 is minus 50, and what's 0 divided by 2? Well, it's just 0. So that one, the 0 doesn't change. Let's do the next one. Notice I'm using f again. Some students I think quite sensibly say, oh wait, but how come f keeps meaning different things? It's because it's like x. You know how x is always just a variable, f is just like a variable function. I'm not actually writing the numbers, hang on. Have a go in your own time. I think you could argue this is impossible, but I think I'd just like you to kind of use a, just assume it's the simpler answer. It's asking for h of x, so we can ignore this one, and we can ignore this one, and we can ignore this one. And, oh look, it's decreasing by 3, so it must be x minus 3, because 5 minus 3 is 2, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Now, you might say, what if it's like an x squared function instead of a straight? I'm just mentioning this in case you're thinking this, but if you're not, just don't worry about it. But you might think, oh, what if it's like not a linear function? Very good point. It's a badly worded question, but I wanted to just have an opportunity to mention this, so well done, and just anyway, blah blah blah. Next one. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3 answers. Oh, this one's interesting. Look, one of them's not possible. Okay, so what do you think f of x is? And the answer is, well, the answer I've come up with is square root of x. Again, I think there might be other answers. I'm not sure. Yeah, there must be. Anyway, but again, I feel like this is kind of the obvious answer to give. Oh, look, because the square root of minus 4, that's not possible. The square root of 0 is 0. The square root of 9, sorry, hang on. The square root of 81 is 9. There we go. And you might have specified like the positive root or something like that. Let's do the next one. Again, there's an issue here with, let's just assume it's a linear function here. Or let's assume it's just the obvious function. Because again, I'm trying to keep this a little bit simpler. So it's not the absolute most robust ever of questions. But I think it makes sense. I'm going to write in the answers. Then I'll talk about it. This is the last one, by the way, so you can finish the video as soon as you feel happy. How did I deduce this? Because I looked at the 2 we already had and I just kind of thought it through. I was like, oh, I wonder what it could be. Is it times, divide? Oh, look, well, 5 is bigger than 3. Oh, well, 3 plus 2 is 5. So I wonder if it's plus 2. Well, let's try it out. What's minus 8.2 plus 2? Oh, yeah, that works. I guess that's what it is. So it's k plus 2, 1 plus 2 x squared plus 2. See you in the next video.